So welcome back to Electronics Touch Game for Year 8s, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to assemble the components. So you can see I've got all my components laid out there. We've just previously tinned them in a previous tutorial. Now for clarity, I've marked where my components are going to go. If you want to do this, then make sure you do this in a whiteboard marker so you can rub it off. So let's start with the transistor, because he's got to go a certain way round. So he's got to go with the legs through like that, and the flat must focus in. Alright, must make sure that happens. Then to hold him in place, we flick him over, and we're going to bend the center leg forwards, left and right, so you can see how our legs are going to be bent to join up with other components. Make sure he sits up nice and straight, the back here. So I'm resetting him nice and straight, making sure the components are lining up and that he's sitting nicely on there with the flat side facing that way. That's important. Next is my 68K. Remembering that with our resistor we want the colour to go on this side, and we want the gold band to be on our right hand side. I'm going to just hold the wire so I don't put any pressure on the wire and the component, bend it over, so I'm making it right angle bends, and then I'm going to slide him through the hole like so. Flip it over, hold it in place, bend your legs left and right. So I've bent my legs left and right. There we go. While I've got the other resistors out, again the 120 ohm. Make sure your gold or silver's on your right hand side and the colours on your left hand side. Hold it with your pliers, bend it over, right angles, and we read right to left, so make sure left to right, so make sure it goes in that way. Again, we're going to lay it down that way and lay it across that way. So now we've got that's holding it in place. Okay, next easy one is our switch. Undo the thread off it, poke it through from the back, holding it steady. You're going to want to make sure that your soldered joints are on this side. Put your threaded nut back on top. It's a bit fiddly when you've got big fat fingers like mine. Tighten it up, finger tight. Check the alignment of the switch underneath before you tighten it up fully. Tighten it up, and there we've got it. This middle hole here is going to be for our wire for our wand, so don't put anything through that one. I've got my red LED down here, so I'm going to pull my red LED off. He goes in from the back side, so I've got to turn him over to put him in. And I need to put it so that with my LED, the flat side of the LED is going to go this way, and the other side's going to go that way to join up. While I'm here, I'm going to do the same for my green. Put my flat side to the left. Green's a bit tighter. Down and across, like so. Alright. So now we have our components in our project all ready to solder up. So in the next tutorial I'll show you how to solder up the project. Cheers.